Roofs have been traditionally used for solar projects, but customers are increasingly searching for other locations, especially for large-scale projects, due to various constraints such as shade, obstructions, age, and space availability. The most common alternatives include ground mounts and solar carports, and floating solar is the latest to join this list. The solar floating mount manufactured by Soeasy Photovoltaic is designed for use on water surfaces like cold subsidence areas, ponds, reservoirs, lakes and dams, eliminating the need for large ground area, one of the major costs in a traditional solar system. It also minimises water evaporation and growth of algae, as well as utilises the water's cooling effect to promote increased power generation. The product's flexible design enables quick and effective installation, resulting in lower installation costs and a higher return on investment. Advanced blow moulding techniques used during the manufacturing of high-density polyethylene floats ensures increased mechanical strength and reduced water penetration, providing strong support for the mounted solar modules on the water surface. HDPE plastic floats are more resistant to ultraviolet light, further extending the life of the system. Designed for use with most of the mainstream solar modules available on the market, the system can be employed with a variety of module configurations, such as landscape, single and double row array layouts, as well as for mounting frameless and framed modules. Anodized aluminium and corrosion-resistant stainless steel is used for manufacturing the mounting structure components that provide greater strength to withstand harsh environmental conditions, such as wind speeds of up to 129.6 kilometers per hour and snow loads up to 0.45 kilonewtons per square meter. Soeasy Photovoltaic is a prominent solar company with over a decade-long experience in the manufacturing of solar mounting systems and other components, such as ground screws and module cleaning equipment. Our sales and network teams ensure that our customers in more than 100 countries across the world receive high quality and efficient products on time.